Welcome class 6. Today we will start with the new chapter HCF and LCM, and the topic that we will discuss today is factors and prime factors. First we'll learn about the factors. So let's take any two number, for example 3 and 4, and when we multiply it we get 12 as the answer. Now this 12 is called as the product or a multiple, and 3 and 4, when it multiplies and gives 12, the numbers which multiply are called the factors. Hence we can say that 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. But not only 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. When you multiply 2 and 6, then also we get the same result, 12. So here, can we say that 2 and 6 are also the factors of 12? And the answer is yes. 2 and 6 are also the factors of 12. So basically, what we can say about factors are that any natural number which can divide a given natural number completely, that means leaving the remainder equal to 0, then it is called the factor of that given number. So as an example, let's take the same number again, 12. We know that 1 into 12 is 12. That means one can divide 12 times. Similarly again, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. And 12 times 1 is equal to 12. So here all these numbers are the factors of 12. That means all these numbers can divide 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, or from this way also we get the same numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 can divide 12, leaving the remainder equal to 0. So we can say that factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factors of 12, in short, we'll write it as F12, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Similarly, we take another example of 18. So 1 times 18 is 18. Again, 2 times 9 is also equal to 18. 3 times 6 equals 18. 6 times 3 equals 18. 9 times 2 equals 18. And 18 times 1 equals 18. So here we see all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Or from this side 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. All these numbers are the factors of 18. So we can say that factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, or simply F18 is equal to the given numbers. So these are the factors of 12 and 18. Next we'll learn about prime numbers. So what is a prime number? Any natural number that is only divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. For example, numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. are the prime numbers. So these numbers cannot be divided by any other number, but they themselves can divide themselves, and only one can divide. Okay, so these numbers are not divisible by any other number. But remember that 1 is not a prime number. It has only one factor, which is 1 itself. Okay, and there is no other number, there is no other factor of number 1. So all the remaining numbers then are, which are not the prime numbers, are called the composite numbers. So here we learned that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Similarly, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. But over here, if we look at all these factors, then here we know that prime numbers over here present in this series of numbers are only 2 and 3. So the rest of the numbers are not the prime numbers. So these kind of factors which are only the prime numbers are called the prime factors. In short, we'll write it as PF. So prime factor of 12, from here we can see it's only 2 and 3. And similarly, the prime factors of 18 are also out of here. It's only 2 and 3. 1, 6, 9 and 18 are not the prime factors of 18. So in both the cases, we see that 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12 and 18. So instead of writing 2 and 3 this way, because since in both the cases we have the same prime factors, it will create the confusion. So we instead write prime factors of 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. So here we can see these are the prime factors, but the prime factors 2 and again another prime factor 2 gets multiplied with a prime factor 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 gives us 12. Okay, similarly for the prime factor of 18, we can write 2 times 3 times 3. So that is 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 18, are the prime factors of 18.